Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a clickable link to your TikTok bio. It's really simple and easy. First of all, open the TikTok application and tap on your profile picture and you will see your dashboard here. Now to add link, firstly we have to copy our link. So go to your YouTube channel and simply copy the link. So here is my channel. I just have to copy this link. Now go back to TikTok and here you will find this option to edit profile. Click on this edit. You will find here two options, bio and social or these links. So just simply tap on this links here and then you can select Instagram or YouTube. We are doing for YouTube. Tap on YouTube and then you can select your account and it will automatically add your clickable link in your TikTok profile, as you can see here. Or you can add your in bio as well, like this. Tap on this save and now if you go back to your profile, you will see here your TikTok link is pasted. If you tap on it, and as you can see, your YouTube link is here. You can tap on it and it will land you on your YouTube. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.